Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do the Campfire Ritual in Grow a Garden game app Roblox Summer Camp Event Update Part 3. Okay, let's get into it guys. So there is a new event in Grow a Garden. The event is called Campfire Ritual, and to do this Campfire Ritual, you need Inferno Shards. You need 4 Inferno Shards, and if you want to get the Inferno Shard, you need to do the quest from this bear. So basically, you need to submit 50 requested fruits. I still need 14 plants to get 1 Inferno Shard. And you need to do it 4 times until you get 4 Inferno Shard. And then after you get all these shards, you can go to the ritual location right here, next to the campfire keeper. Oops, sorry. Right here, guys. Okay, here. And you're going to place your pad. You can place 4 Inferno Shards and 1 pad here. And you will get the Inferno Mutation from this Campfire Ritual. And to do the ritual, you need to reach tier 1, if I'm not mistaken. Reach tier 1 for the campfire, and then you will be able to do the ritual, the campfire ritual. So all you need to do now is completing the quest from the bear to get 4 Inferno Shards. And after you get 4 Inferno Shards, you can go to this ritual place and place your pad right here on the center, and then your pad will get the Inferno Mutation. Okay guys, and that's how you can do the Campfire Ritual in Grow a Garden game app Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!